him face first down, and here comes the Bull. Leg lariat, leg drop over the back of the head of Bobby Moore. Covers him now. Lateral press.
Only a 2 count, but a tremendous comeback by Bull Buchanan. A lot of people use the leg lariat, but not that many people do it with the size of the leg and the size of the body of Bull Buchanan. A lot of force there. Again, only with the left does he come in. Mistake going again with that right arm, and that hurt him much more than it may have hurt Bobby Moore. And that allowed Bobby Moore to be ready, and as Bull came in, caught him, now launches him face first down in that second turnbuckle.
Bobby Moore now with the offense, trying to come back, and caught him with that shoulder block. Took the man down, covers him, lateral press. Did not grab the leg, not enough.
And he's gone for a submission.
Japanese armbar here. The Japanese armbar is applied, and this could be it. Now, normally I would never say a man like Bull Buchanan would submit, but he is human, and he is in pain right now.
Well, and it looked like he could have gotten to the ropes with his legs, but he lost track of where he was, moved himself almost out of position. Luckily, able to get a hold of that bottom rope, but more damage done to that already injured arm of Barry Bull Buchanan.
And you're seeing Bull Buchanan now in a way you don't normally see him. And Hit for Hire has been paid to do a job, but he's trying to do it. Stopped himself that time. Look at that lariat! And that had to take a lot out of the Bull, but it surely took a lot out of Bobby Moore. And it's all she wrote.
And it took enough.
And the big Texan, Bull Buchanan, with an injured arm, still delivers a devastating lariat. Your winner of the match, the big Texan, the man on a mission to become the new RPW Heavyweight Champion, Bull Buchanan. He is looking for a man they call J-Rod. We'll have more exciting action. Rampage Pro Wrestling, getting ready for May 1st, Sunday, Memorial Mayhem. We'll be right back.